Relax the whole body. We'll do a simple yoga nidra. So keep your complete body on the ground. Keep your legs slowly, gently apart, about 1.5 feet. Keep your hands in your side, about 6 inches off the body. Your palms are facing up towards the sky. Let your fingers be curled naturally, without any tension. Let the head rest on the ground and keep your eyes gently closed. You're going to practice Yoga Nidra. It's a conscious relaxation technique or a mindful sleeping. The objective is not to sleep, but to remain conscious about the relaxation of the whole body. Try to become fully aware of everything happening around you. You've taken time to practice this relaxation. That's good. So feel good about this time that you're giving to your body, your breath, your mind, your entire being is becoming more grateful for this practice. Such practices are not just meant for our own self. We create positive pockets of consciousness through these practices, and that enables the entire world to benefit, to rising up the spiritual quotient, the emotional quotient, the social quotient, the moral quotient, and all these ingredients of a evolved humanity. To take a couple of breaths to settle down, observe your tummy as you breathe in and out. Feel the tummy rising up as you inhale. Feel it's dropping down towards the ground as you exhale. And notice the opposite happening. As you exhale, the chest rising up. As you inhale, the chest dropping down. So when the tummy and chest look together, it will appear like a wave pattern, just like a wave in the ocean. As you inhale, tummy rising up, chest dropping down. As you exhale, chest rising up, tummy dropping down. So visualize or superimpose a wave form into your body and feel that wave is happening all the time. Inhale, exhale. So take a couple of breaths in close observation with your closed eyes. That will relax the body further. Breathing in, tummy up. Breathing out, chest up. Breathing in, tummy up, chest down. Breathing out, chest up, tummy down. With this relaxed body, breath, and mind, try to remember about your goal. Your goal is the seed. That seed is getting nourished, nurtured. The seed is becoming a beautiful plant. Your goal is getting manifested. Total health, true happiness, building up a stronger immune system. Now, this practice of Yoga Nidra is a wonderful technique of communicating that goal to every cell of your body. Just like you're a CEO of a company, there are 70 trillions of employees reporting to you. Now, your job as a CEO is to communicate your goal to every employee, that means every cell of your body. And this is a powerful technique of doing an all hands meeting. We are moving towards total health, physical, mental, emotional, social, and spiritual well being. We are experiencing true happiness unconditionally and a stronger immune system at a physical level, mental level, and even at spiritual level. Now let's rotate the awareness of the relaxation throughout the body. Randomly, we will just move around the body. Different parts will be remembered, and we'll try to create a feeling of relaxation in those parts that we talk about. Let's start with all the joints. Starting from the toe joints, try to feel them relaxed. We'll stop for 3 breaths on each joint. Now bring your awareness to the ankle joints. Bring your awareness to the knee joints of both the legs. Shift your awareness up to the hip joints. Try to take a couple of mindful breaths and try to create a feeling of relaxation. You're making sure as a supervisor that all the joints are totally relaxed. Bring awareness to the finger joints of right palm, left palm. Bring awareness to the right wrist joint. Left wrist joint. Bring awareness to the right elbow joint. And bring awareness to the left elbow joint. Bring awareness to the right shoulder joint. And the left shoulder joint. Now become aware of the whole backbone, completely from the tailbone to the back of the neck. Visualize all the vertebrae, a couple of breaths, feeling them totally relaxed. Whole backbone relaxed. Now bring awareness to your neck joint. Now become fully aware of your entire face. The face is the index of mind. So when we learn to relax the facial muscles, our mind also relaxes automatically. Relax your chin, relax your jaws, your teeth and gums, your palates and the tongue, and your lips, totally relaxed. Relax your nose, right nostril, left nostril, tip of the nose, and the complete nose relaxed. Relax your cheeks, right cheek, left cheek. The cheekbones relax. Wearing a gentle smile, a beautiful face relaxing. Relax your eyes, right eye, left eye. Feel the heaviness of the eyeballs and let them settle down to the eye sockets, totally relaxed. Relax your eyelashes, relax your eyebrows, eyelids, total relaxation of the total the vision system, complete relaxation of the eyes. Eyes are also called the windows to the mind. When the eyes are relaxed, the mind automatically relaxes. That's why we experience that REM sleep time, rapid eye movement. Relax your ears, right ear, left ear. Try to feel your ears, processing all different sounds from different directions, going deep through the eardrums. So inside of the ears, totally relaxed. Outside of the ears, relaxed. Relax your forehead, left temple, right temple, complete forehead. Gently raise your eyebrows and try to feel how many lines are being drawn on your forehead. Just mentally make a count and then relax your eyebrows, relax your forehead, complete relaxation of the forehead. Point between the two eyebrows, that's called the third eye. Our intuitive mind, imagination power, holding a vision for the future. And if you drive straight from the third eye center and another line drawn from the top of the head, the point between these two imaginary lines will join is called pineal gland. That is where the stem of the Sahasrara chakra opens up. A beautiful lotus flower with 1,000 petals opening up on the top of the head, the crown chakra. And visualize that a beautiful purple light is opening up around your head and moving throughout your body, making a beautiful circle from left to right, from your left all the way, completing a circle. And as you practice few more moments of this deep relaxation, the circle will complete in different directions and make a huge bulb of light around your body, just like a cocoon around your body. So today use the purple light, that's the light of spirituality, the light of crown chakra, Sahasrara chakra. Just imagine that your body is completely surrounded by a beautiful ball of violet light, relaxing, soothing, healing, protecting, calming down the mind and body, and all kind of good things happening inside. It's a shield that protects the body from all kind of germs, bacteria, virus, which are harmful. There are bacteria and viruses which are very actual bacteria and microbes. They're healthier. They're helpful. So it creates a shield not to allow the harmful objects inside. And intelligently, it allows only the healthier microbes. Our human body is a community of different organisms. So we have been practicing a symbiotic relationship with all these microbes. So together, our body is more stronger. Now the entire system is healed with the spiritual vibration. With this balanced and healed body-mind system, take your time to remember about your goal once again. Try to bring total awareness of your personal goal, your goal towards total health, true happiness, and building up a stronger immune system is getting manifested to every cell of your body. Every part of your personality, every aspect of your personality is exhibiting this quality of total health, true happiness. Take a couple of mindful breath to settle down with this beautiful vision of your body, breath, and mind, a wonderful microcosm of the entire universe. When this microcosm is healthy and safe, the entire universe also becomes healthy and safe. Both help each other. Now slowly we will come back to this total consciousness of this wonderful machine, body, breath, and mind. I'll count 1, 2, and 3. When you hear 3, you'll be fully awake and totally relaxed. 1, try to become fully aware of your whole body relaxing. Relaxed body. Gently wiggle your toes. Make some movements to your fingers. And the body movement. Preparing to wake up. 2, try to become fully aware of your breath. Slow, smooth, long, deep, and conscious. And 3, become fully aware of your magnificent mind. Very powerful mind, intelligence, and the soul. Slowly, gently consider turning to the right side, and from the right turn position, bring yourself back to a crossed-leg, palms together position. Keep your palms together, keep your eyes slowly closed. Take your time to come out slowly from a yoga nidra, lying down position, to sitting down, relaxed posture. Try to feel that the purple light that you have created will be always there with you throughout the day. It's like a beautiful aura that you have built using your willpower and the spiritual energy. In addition to all the precautionary measures that you're taking to stay away from the virus, this will also add up to the whole experience of protection, but there will be no fear inside. Be all joyful, fun-filled experience of the day. Let's complete this practice by connecting to our loved ones, connect to the world as one family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Let's pray forward with another peace prayer, a Shanti mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. May everyone be healthy and safe. May everyone see things auspiciously, goodness in others. May there be no miseries, no unhappiness, no sadness, no grief with anyone. May there be peace. Oh, peace, peace, peace. Rub your palms together. And once your palms are warm enough, keep them like 2 cups covering the eyes. And feel the warmth of your palms precipitating into the eyes, giving them a beautiful 20/20 vision. And slowly, gently, keep your palms like an open book with a couple of blinks. Open your eyes and look at your palms to rebuild, re-establish self-confidence. Okay, bring your palms together. Namaste.